Okay, so after the fundamental counting principle, we move on to permutations. Permutation is a fancy word for an arrangement or a lineup of objects in which order matters. Okay, if you move something from first place to second place, then you count it again. It's a different arrangement. It's a different lineup. So order matters. Okay, there's a symbol for it. There's a formula too, but we're not going to use the formula. We're just going to use our calculator. But the symbol for it is this NPR that you see. N is the total number of objects available, and R is the number of objects that we use for this arrangement. All right, we are going to find that symbol in our calculators and solve using it instead of using the formula. Okay, so in a Casio, the formula is in the option button right beside your shift key. And then you want to press F6 to get more options on the side. And then finally you'll see right above F3 is the PRB. You see PROB, probability. If you press that, you're going to get all your probability formulas on the bottom row of your screen. And you can see that the NPR is right above F2. So that's what we'll have to use. You'll have to push in your number for N. Then you'll press F2 to get the formula NPR to show up. And then you'll press in the number for R. And then you'll press equals, and you'll get your answer. Okay, TI folks. TI users, you need to go to your math button. And then you'll have to arrow over. Sorry, I don't remember how many times. I think it's more than once. But TI is at school, not at home, so I can't remember. Arrow over until you see PRB. That's your probability list. And then below that, once you highlight PRB, below that you'll see your NPR formula and all the other formulas we need for this section. Again, you'll press in the number you need for N. Then you'll go to math and arrow over and get the symbol you need. And then you'll press in the number for R, and then you'll press your enter key, and the calculator will give you your answer. Okay, so a couple examples to get us started. How many ways can you arrange the letters in the word dinosaur? Okay, so there are 8 letters in the word dinosaur. We want to arrange them. So we would want to use a permutation. 8 things total. And then we're going to line up all 8. So 8P8. So 40,320. Okay, give it a try in your calculator. Make sure you can get that value. Okay, and our second example. 7 students are competing in the geography bee. How many ways can they finish first, second, and third place? So order matters here because the same 2 students switching first and second place would be a different result. So we have 7 people total, and we're going to arrange them into first, second, and third place, so 3 positions. So 7 NPR 3. Remember, on that TI, you have to press the 7 before you go find the formula. Then put in the 3. Okay, let's go to the next screen, try a few more. Okay, a couple more examples in case we need help setting them up still. Melanie is taking 4 classes this semester. American History, Algebra 2, AP English, and Chemistry. How many ways can these 4 classes be arranged on her schedule? So, arrange, that's going to be a permutation. She has 4 classes, and we want all 4 of them in her schedule. So we would do 4P4, which would be 24. Okay. There are 16 players on a baseball team. How many ways can the coach make the 9-player batting order? So total players, 16. We're putting them in order, lining them up, so definitely permutation. Cannot get my pen there. And there's 9 of them. So we do 16P9. We want to line up who's first, who's second, who's third. That's a very big number. 41513 47200. So putting in the commas, 4,151,347,200 different batting orders. Okay, and the last one. One like this is kind of tricky for people to see sometimes. There are 28 students in the homeroom. How many ways can the students elect a student council representative and alternate? That doesn't necessarily sound like you're putting things in order. It doesn't say first or second, but it's 2 different jobs. 2 different jobs always counts as an ordered situation, because it would matter if you were the representative or the alternate. The representative probably needs to do more work than the alternate does. So order matters here because your role will be different. So this is a permutation always when you see 2 different jobs. Sorry, I wrote that wrong. So we have 28 people, and we're lining up only 2 of them because there's 2 different jobs, which is 756. Okay, if you have questions, please ask.